Hey everyone, if you are into the stock market, you know how overwhelming it can be. There's so much noise out there, endless data, conflicting opinions, and information overload. But what if I told you there's one app that simplifies everything? Let me introduce you to StockEdge. So, StockEdge is a one stop solution that brings all the data you need into one place. Whether you are a long term investor, a swing trader, or an intraday trader, StockEdge adapts to your trading style and gives you the insights you need to make smarter decisions. You can create custom scanners based on ready made scans to find exactly what you are looking for, dive deep into company details, financials, ratios, and more, track market breadth and sector rotation to spot trends before they happen. And my favorite feature, it shows you FII buy sell data and exactly where the FII money is flowing. This is gold for understanding market sentiment. So, Stockage has completely changed the way I approach the market. It filters out the noise and gives me clear, actionable insights. No more guesswork, just data driven decisions. If you are serious about trading or investing, you need Stockage in your life. It's the ultimate tool to stay ahead in the market. Download it today and take your trading to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you very much, Vivek sir, for making this product.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.